Welcome to Cenex Live. I'm Kevin Meyer, Technical Product Representative with Cenex, and today we're talking about ways to improve fuel efficiency on your farm. Whether you're operating older equipment or machinery that's brand new, being as efficient with fuel as possible will benefit your operation. In addition to using quality products, there's many things you can do to improve your fuel efficiency. Let's discuss. Are there ways to prep my equipment or fuel to help with efficiency? There definitely are. There's a lot of different ways to improve efficiency. Storing fuel correctly, including keeping fuel away from direct sunlight and avoiding temperature changes, can reduce fuel quality issues and condensation. Following best practices and checking a storage tank for water on a regular basis can help maintain the quality of the fuel, prevent fuel-related issues, and prevent loss of fuel through contamination. With equipment, performing regular maintenance on all components can reduce unexpected downtime and improve operations. Checking and maintaining tire pressure and replacing lubricants and filters at the correct intervals are just a few items that can help improve efficiency and reduce downtime. What should I keep in mind while in the field? There's a few different things. If you have multiple pieces of equipment, using the right size equipment for the job can lead to reducing fuel consumption. Using a lighter equipment with smaller loads and ensuring the equipment used can handle the load will ensure fuel is not needlessly being used. Having an effective field layout and pattern can reduce overlapping, turning, and idling, which will lead to a reduction in fuel consumption. Less time out in the field will lead to less fuel being used over time. Finally, using the correct gear for the load can improve fuel economy and provide cost savings over time. Using a higher gear and slowing the engine speed can lead to fuel savings in the long run. What should I incorporate into my maintenance routine? Using a premium diesel fuel like Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster can improve fuel economy by up to 5%. Cenex Premium Diesel comes with a robust additive package that can provide a complete burn to optimize performance in all engines. Cenex Premium Diesel is designed to meet the challenges of today's equipment as well as enhance the performance of older equipment. Using Cenex Premium Diesel fuel can keep equipment engines clean and reduce downtime due to maintenance and repairs. Thanks for joining me today. If you have more questions about improving fuel efficiency on your operation, drop your question in the comments section below. And to find your local Cenex dealer or learn more tips to optimize your operation, visit cenexperts.com.